market goes down 20 or 30 or 40%, it's not a lot of fun.
Individual investors as a group are very lousy investors. The things that hurt individual investors are ego, expenses, and emotions. And if they understand why people don't do well in the market, then they can avoid those kind of mistakes looking forward.
After we came out of the Great Depression,
The first part of the theme is spend less than you earn, and the second part is invest the difference in something goes up. Now it sounds very simple, but it's very hard to do. One, it's hard to save money for any of us because there's so many alternatives to spend our money on. And two, if we can't set money aside, sometimes we make poor investment choices. So that's really the secret to financial success. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference in something that goes up.